we welcome your voice. We really want to hear what's going on in your lives.
I am a UX design intern at Oracle. I also am a freelance artist.
I am an Asian American woman. I use she, her pronouns.
And it's a way for them to engage in STEM in a meaningful way.
So this is what we've been working on, basically the design plan.
For those who have ever had an issue that relates to you, but you have no one to talk to or you have no one to go to it about, our app is just for that. So you can connect with others and chat with others about issues.
See you soon. It's not the end. We're going to now synthesize what we learned.
Thank you so much for your participation in this. Every year it scales up more. So I've really enjoyed that.